Hi there! Today we have the Wings Vibe TWS earphones and we have all the colors black, blue, white and grey. You can currently get these for just 1499 rupees. So let's unbox all so you can actually see how the colors look, tell you how they sound so you can decide which one you should buy. Also, I'm going to do a giveaway for all these units, so continue watching till the end to know how you can win these. If this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So let's unbox these. Okay, so unboxed and let's see what's inside first. We have 3 extra pair of ear tips. We have a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, which is great, and 1 year replacement warranty card. Alright, cases of all the 4, which one do you think looks better? It's totally your choice. My personal favorite would be black, but that's the idea of colors, it's about personal preference. Everyone has their personal choice. And here are the earphones. So let's have a closer look at the earbuds. So the build is plastic of the earbuds as well as the case. Obviously, I've put the earbuds inside. Let's remove them. I'm reviewing the black ones because I like black. And the first thing you're going to see is there is an LED light on the top which keeps blinking and it will tell you when it's connected and when it's not connected. You have the Wings branding on it. I kind of like the design. It's kind of a mix between AirPods and earbuds. You also have the charging terminals at the bottom. You have the Wings branding on the top. Matte black finish. Looks actually really nice. Let's have a look at the case. So the case is made of plastic and the cap is really flimsy. This is something I think they should have made of better quality. Though it has a spring, but you have to kind of lock it. But that's okay. I don't think that should be a problem. But still, you have the Wings branding here. You have the LED lights that shows the battery that it holds. And you have a USB-C charging port. So if you have a phone that charges with USB-C, which I'm sure many of you already do, this will be really convenient to charge with that same cable. So overall, the build quality is pretty good. No complaints. I just wish that the flap was a little better. Apart from that, it's pretty good. Alright, let's check out the fit. So the moment I put this in my ear, it says connected. You get a connected sound, which means that you don't need to turn it on or off. You put it inside this, it's off. You remove it and put it in your ear, it's turned on. So coming to comfort, so they snug in really nicely into your ear canal, cancels out most of the passive sound, just like most earbud designs do. But this seems to be really nice. It's very comfortable. It's not going to fall off anytime easily. They fit in very well. These definitely can be worn for long hours. They feel so comfortable. Alright, moving to the sound quality. So it has 6mm drivers and they sound pretty good actually. Now I did listen to these briefly, some Badshah songs and some other songs, and they sounded pretty peppy. Bass lovers will definitely like these. They're not very deep but punchy enough. Mids are strong, highs were decent. Overall a good sounding experience. Now it got really loud and there was barely any noise bleed. Sound wise, I don't think it will disappoint anyone, especially for the price. Coming to the battery. Now the earphones hold 40 mAh battery each, while the case holds 430 mAh. Now Wings claims that the battery on the earphone should last 6 hours on a single charge, plus 18 hours with the case, which if you ask me is pretty good. You can also quick charge for 20 minutes and get 4 hours. Can't ask for more, can you? You also have tap gesture controls on these. Single tap left or right to decrease or increase the volume. Double tap on either to pause and play. Triple tap on either to enable voice assistant, Siri on iPhone and Google Assistant on Android, so you won't need to reach out to your phone to control your music anymore. Coming to phone call quality. So the Wings Vibe come with dual mic cancelling for phone calls. Surprisingly, they were really good. The opposite person didn't know I wasn't using my phone and was using earphones for the phone call. However, my use was limited indoors only, so I can't say how it would be outdoors. If you want to use these for phone calls, they'll do just fine. In my limited time with these, I have 2 cons. No ear detection and the build quality of the case could have been a little better. But then looking at the price of just 1499 rupees, it's hard to complain. I also briefly used these to watch YouTube videos and there was no lag. I mean, it was pretty much usable while watching movies and videos. Finally, it has everything you're looking for in a TWS earphones without burning a hole in your pocket. Good sound, good bass, good fit, comfort, and USB-C charging. 1499 is a steal. Now this price is only till 25th of December, after which you'll have to buy this for 2499. So grab one right now. You can get this on Flipkart and Myntra. It's also a great gadget to gift someone. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Alright, giveaway. 3 simple steps. Go to my Instagram page, follow me if you still aren't, like the post of the Wings Vibe earphones, and leave a comment below of which is your favorite color of the Wings Vibe earphones. 4 winners will be announced on 10th of January 2021. So nice to say 2021. Okay, so go right now, follow, like, comment so you can maximize your chances of winning. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.